I want to make epoxy furniture but don't know where to start. So here we go. Ether Artistry is there with a step-by-step guided program where you can go from being a beginner to an expert with our 24/7 guided support and 20 hours of recorded course. Make it as a hobby or as a profession. With our basic or industrial setup, you will understand the amount of investment that will be required. With this course, you will not only understand making a table but also chairs, drawers, cupboard, clock, doors, etc. This is a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to start their own furniture line, as there is a huge rising demand for it, and only a handful of people know this skill.